What if I told you there's a place on the internet that pays you for writing about exactly what you want? As a writer, this is literally the best news because you don't have to pitch to any magazines, you don't have to rely on freelance clients, you don't have to rely on websites that pay you. All you have to do is write about whatever you want, whatever your heart desires, and you will be paid for that. If that sounds like a dream, then that no longer is so, because today I'm going to talk about a platform where you can write about whatever topic you choose, whatever niche you pick, and you are going to be paid based on how many minutes your story was read by the paying members of the platform. Excited? Let's dive right in. The platform that I'm discussing in today's video is Medium.com. I know, I've talked a lot about Medium. I have discussed a lot about it in many of my videos, and the most common comment that I get is, Medium Partner Program is not available in India. How do I make money? Or Medium Partner Program is not available in Pakistan, in Brazil, so many other countries in Southeast Asian and African continents. So what can writers in these countries do? Well, my dear friend, the good news that I'm sharing with you today is Medium Partner Program is finally in India. Drum roll, yay! I know that's super exciting, and I am excited as well. This is a huge news, and it's a step in the direction for Indian writers to make an identity for themselves on the global market, to garner a global audience, to make great money, and to finally be paid for writing about whatever they want. So since this is a super new program, many Indian writers don't know about it. Many Indian writers don't know how to make money from the Medium Partner Program. So today I'm going to share with you a step-by-step guide showing exactly everything that you need to do to start making money from the Medium Partner Program. But first, let's talk about the prerequisites or the requirements that you have to fulfill before you can become a member of the Medium Partner Program. The first and the most important requisite is that you need to be a paying member of Medium. So if you're not aware, Medium has a subscription program where the fee is $5 per month. For Indian users, this fee can be a little bit less if you open Medium on your Android phone, and if you go to the partnership option, you will see that the partnership is available at a discounted rate, at a purchasing power parity rate for Indians. If I remember correctly, the amount is about 1600 rupees for an entire year. So that's a pretty good investment, I would say, to make, because that will enable you to start monetizing your writing. The second requirement is that you need to have at least one published story in the last 6 months. If you don't have a story, you can publish one right now, and then you can start applying to become a member of the Medium Partner Program. The third requirement is that you need to have a bank account and you need to file taxes in your eligible country. And the last requirement is you need to be at least 18 years old. Now that that's established, if you fulfill all these requirements, let's go through a step-by-step process of how exactly you can enroll yourself in the Medium Partner Program. Let's go through the step-by-step process of enrolling yourself in the Medium Partner Program. The first step is you have to sign into your Medium account and start at the Partner Program marketing landing page. The URL is right on the screen. If you are not able to see that, then you have to click on the top right corner of your screen, and in the menu that pops down, you have to select Become a Member. Then the next step is you'll see a window that shows the Medium Partner Program onboarding page. You have to click on Apply Now. The third step is you will see this Thanks for your interest page, and here you have to select your country where your bank account is located, and then you have to click Next. So in this case, we have to select India, and then you have to click on Next. After that, this is the eligibility check. Like I mentioned at the start of this video, if you have not published a story in the last 6 months, or if you're not a member of Medium, then you're not going to be eligible. So make sure you fulfill your eligibility requirements, at least publish one story and become a member of Medium, and then you can start earning from Medium. So this is what you're gonna see. These are the two criteria. Once you check on both these criterias, you can click on enroll now. The button will come up. This is the screen that will show up if you have fulfilled all the prerequisites, and then you can click on this enroll now button. And once you click on this enroll now button, you will see the screen that you are in. You will be given a warm welcome to the partner program. The next step would be connecting your Stripe account. That's the first step. And the second step is you have to submit your taxpayer information. So let's see how you can do that. So the next step is you just keep this page open and then go to your email. Go to your email inbox, whatever email you used to log into your Medium account. And then you should get an email with the subject line that says, you have enrolled in Medium's partner program. Here's a guide to get started. Then go back to the partner program page and then click on continue with onboarding, which will take you to the payout settings page. This page looks something like this. So from here on this Stripe account option, you have this button connect now. So you have to click on that connect now option. Then this will take you through Stripe's onboarding process. This process is pretty simple and you have to complete all of that. And once you are done, once the Stripe enrollment is successfully done, you will see this box that shows a tick mark next to the Stripe account, and then you know that this step is complete. Next, we come to the part 2, which is also very important, which is completing your taxpayer information. So we start from this page. After we have completed the enrollment on Stripe, we are going to click on submit now. Then you will be shown a page that looks something like this. This is page that's powered by Tipalti. This is the partner of Medium, which helps them verify all the taxpayer information. So here you have to give your contact number, your tax ID, which is the PAN card number for Indians. And you have to give all these informations. And then once it's done, you will receive an email confirmation that you have submitted your taxpayer information. It can take up to 5 business days to review and verify your taxpayer forms. And once you have completed your enrollment, you can begin putting new stories, and also the already published stories, you can put them behind a paywall to start earning revenue for them. Once this whole process is complete, when you click on that top drop down menu from the top right of your profile, you will be able to see your partner program page. You will be able to see your earnings dashboard, which means you are eligible to start earning money from Medium. So that's it, my dear Indian writer friends. Medium partner program is finally in India, and Indian writers can finally start earning money from Medium. You don't have to wait, you don't have to look for any back doors, you don't have to do any jugaad. All you have to do is go to your Medium partner program page, follow the steps that I mentioned, and you will be eligible to start earning money. If you found this video useful, don't forget to share it with all your writer friends, because now all you need is a laptop and an internet connection, and you can start writing to make money. I hope this video was helpful. Please note that I have made a lot of other videos about how to get started on Medium, how to earn more money on Medium, how to grow your audience on Medium. All of that can be found in my Medium playlist, which I've linked right here. So make sure you go through it. So that's all for today's video. I'll see you again super soon in another new video. Until then, stay awesome and keep writing. Cheers!